Well, you must have liked it. You stayed away.
Well, I ain't staying no longer. I'm gone.
Good-for-nothing son of a bitch.
This better be good shit. I may be coming after your ass. I don't believe this shit. I already smoked the whole goddamn bag and I ain't even high yet. Oh shit.
Whoa. Damn.
May I serve you, sir?
What's this yellow-green looking stuff?
That's today's special. It's vegetable surprise.
What's it got in it?
It's a surprise. I'm glad to get off work. 12 hours on your feet's a long time, especially in my condition.
Hell, Debbie, we're gonna need that money when the baby comes. After that sucker drops, you won't be able to go back to work for at least a week.
You're my beer-drinking man, Dove.
That's for damn sure.
There's that son of a bitch now.
Oh, shit! We got trouble now. Hold on, honey.
You don't have nothing to worry about. You just keep driving as fast as you can. I was just practicing before. Now I'm getting serious.
The bitch hit me. God damn.
Oh man. This shit's going too far.
Come on, woman. You better get your butt moving.
Damn it, Dub, wait for me. Mama, listen to me.
Now, honey, I'm watching my Family Feud right now. Run on, and we'll talk about it after a while.
Mama, this is serious.
Honey, if you got fired, don't you worry about it. That lazy-ass husband of yours just gonna have to go get himself a job.
Mama, I just killed a man.
Well, honey, if you did, you sure killed the wrong one, 'cause Dub just came walking through here, and he didn't even look sick.
I do feel sorry for what I done, and I already prayed to the Lord and asked for forgiveness and everything.
Rambo was a good old boy. I'm gonna miss him.
Hell, everybody in this town is gonna miss Rambo. He wasn't just another person floating through this sea of life, waiting on the day he could go and be with Jesus. He was devoted to helping mankind while he's on this earth. He offered himself over to the science of pharmacy, and I guarantee you, he never filled one prescription without first trying the drug out on himself. We ain't gonna let those son of a bitches get away with this, are we? No way. We're going over there right now and we're gonna kill every one of them.
If you die, I'll wait at least 6 months before I remarry.
Oh, honey, you say the sweetest things to me.
God damn it. Come on, Lester.
Don't you think we better go help Mama?
She said she can handle it by herself.
Come on.
Debbie, put that thing down. That gun's too big for a pregnant woman.
hush. This gun was made for me.
That's it, honey. Shoot his ass off, honey. Son of a bitch. Get him, Debbie. Get him. Get him, Debbie. There's blood everywhere. Son of a bitch. You're going to pay for
Oh, shit.
Maybe you ain't so worthless after all.
Mama, I take back all the bad things I said about you. You're a damn good shot, and I'm proud to have you as a mother-in-law.
See, it's times like these when we forget our petty differences and realize just how important we are to each other. I think I'm going to drop this sucker any minute now.
Oh, it's the excitement. She's going into labor.
He's a beautiful boy.
He's got my eyes.
You've got my beard.
Oh, shit.